Okay, so for example, you have all these images. Okay, I'm just expanding my page so that you can see my emojis. For example, you have this thumbnail. Okay, these thumbnails are separately lined. So what you have to do, you have to select first Control A, okay, and then Control G. When you do Control G, you'll be able to just select all, and then wherever you want to replace it, you can just make a changes. Now you escape. This space is not correct between this and this. So align, distribute horizontally. You can just click on this and distribute vertically. Okay, so this shape will come in a proper manner. So this is into group. So what you can do is you can just select this shape format, group, ungroup. This is ungroup. Now if you select this and align horizontally and align vertically, so this everything align middle. So everything is settled. You can use easily this align function. Okay. Select the images, shape, format, and align, and you can try all these options. This will help you to bring your icons. This will help you to bring your icons parallelly. एक ही लाइन में आपको लाइन में लाने के लिए आपको help करेंगे. Try this hack, shape, format, align, and let me know whether this hack is helpful or not.